So, hi guys, I'm going to show you the new features of the coming update 2.8, and there has been quite a lot of changes and new features. So I'm going to show you quick what I did there. So let's just start the game for a second. So I have created here a so-called rated tournament track, and let me just try to upload this one. So if I go here to my Amiga Racer crowd, I click here, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here, Amiga Racer tracks. So here we have the old track, and I think 45, that is a new one. So as you see, it has already a new structure here. It's called Amiga Racer Lux for Linux. So it's created on a Linux machine. Doesn't matter, it can be renamed whatsoever. So I'm going to upload this. Flop. As you see, number increased here by 1. So basically we have now one track available. You can basically do the same then with your own created tracks. However, you cannot upload tournament tracks. So you can submit them. I have to take a look at it, and then I can approve them for tournament tracks. So we have now one track here in the cloud. So let's close this here. And now let's just do one thing here. Going here in this Amiga Racer folder, I'm going here in my track folder and just get rid of everything I have in here. Gone. So, and now let's start the game. So basically Amiga Racer is without any tracks. So run it. Let's look in the tracks here. Empty as expected. So now here we see already the first change. You have here so-called mode. Now we have local. Local means there is nothing in the folder. That is, it's black here, it's nothing highlighted. Local tracks 0. Of course you can go now here to the constructor, and you can select here your own scenario you want. Yeah, for instance the Russian scenario. Whatever change here, no curves, just straight or almost straight, whatever you want. So, and then you go here on build track, and another feature is now, usually you should have saved it here in the previous versions before driving it. You can still do that. So if you hit here now save track, this here, it will be saved. However, you can now start the game. So we didn't save it yet. So as you see, we're driving here. And we could drive now here to the end. I'm not going to do this. I'm going to save it. I think I saved it. That was a key press. Let's look. Yes, you see. So you can basically save it now if you drive the track and you say, this track is nice, I like it. When Arx created specific environments that you like, so you can just press the save key and it gets automatically stored here. You don't have to worry that it overwrites an old track. It's not going to happen. So you can have as many Russian tracks as you want. And here you see track length 120, that's the track we just created here. It's also listed as a Linux created track. It doesn't matter, you can exchange tracks between operation systems, it's not a problem. And it says here Arx user track. So basically some user created, and here it's created, basically it prints my name, and there will be your names there. Of course this requires that you donate for a key file, because otherwise there will be no name. So it's pointing directly here at Russia. So we have no other tracks. So we have currently only this Russian track. So now let's just start over. Let's end this game. Let's start it completely again. So now let's go in our cloud. As you see, the Russian track is still there because we have it local. Now we can say we change the mode. So for that we press as printed here M, and now watch it. You see, now it lists all the tracks that are in the cloud, and it correctly knows already that this is a tournament track. Here it's printed rated tournament track, so basically that is a rated track. So, and if you want to play this now, we're still in the cloud tracks 01. So I upload only one. There will be much more, and you can now just hit space, return, joystick button, whatever. And as you see,
Get set, go!
shit. Ah. So these rated tracks are actually pretty long. Okay, I'm not going to drive till the end here, but you get the idea. So basically it works. And since you started this directly from the cloud, let's again end the game and let's start the game again. So let's see what happens. Now if you go into the cloud here, you see already now, it says local here, because we're not in the cloud yet, but it says already local tracks 2. So basically it cached this one here, and it remembered it's a rated tournament track. So you don't have to go all the time in the cloud. When you play one track from the cloud, it automatically caches this local on your SSD, hard drive, whatever. So there's no need always to go in the cloud. Only if you find that track where you say, I like to try that, just play it and it will be automatically locally on your hard disk. So that's this point. Now there's another new feature. Since we have now 2 tracks here, you probably see there's something disappearing here and it's coming back. A tournament track you cannot delete. Well, you can delete it via hand, but not here with the game. So basically, if you really want to get rid of this tournament track, you have to delete it in the folder. However, all the tracks that you created, you can now, in this new version, delete by pressing Shift and K for kill. So if you press Shift and K, you see it's gone. Now you have only one. So if you have a lot of your own tracks that you just created or something, there's no need now to remember what was what. You can now easily delete here. In this way you see what it is and how long it is and stuff like this. Much easier than deleting these files manually in your track folder. So that's one thing. And that you can basically save the tracks I showed you already, and the tracks are all 100% compatible now with all operating systems. So basically it works now on all operating systems, no matter where the track is created and where the track is being played. So that is one of the first cloud features here, which works now in this. So you can also create and upload tracks. However, as I said, not tournament tracks. And tournament tracks will then show a high score and stuff like this. So I think you liked this presentation, or at least I hope. And well, we will see with update 2.8 tomorrow how this is going to work. Okay, see you soon, guys.